Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and easy YouTube tutorial. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to put your WordPress website into maintenance mode using a free and easy to install plugin. So yeah, on the screen, I've got a brand new WordPress installation. And yeah, let's go into the dashboard. Cool. Then we can navigate to plugins. Let's add plugin. Cool, and then we're going to search for under construction, super dandy plugin. We can just click on install now. There is quite a lot of other ones as well. Some is a little bit more customizable. Some even has like a little form that you can use for users to sign up, especially if you're still building the website. So yeah, but for this one, I really like under construction, and I've been using it for years. So we can just activate that. Cool. So now if we go to our website, the website will still load. In order to enable the maintenance mode, all we can do is hover here, and then under construction mode off on, we can just click on that toggle. Okay, cool. So now under construction mode is enabled, but because we are signed in, we can still see the website. So let's see what it will look like to someone who's not signed in. If anyone visits any URL on your website. So let's log out. Okay, let's go to the WordPress site, and then you'll be greeted with this. Now, in order to get into your site, you can either go to the website and just type WP admin, or there's also usually a little login here, so it'll take you to the login page. And yeah, there you have it.